Hey there, I'm Sid. In the last video we had learned about how to create a sequence. In this video we will know about organizing the workspace. In Premiere Pro we can see the default workspace look like this. Now in case you are working on different monitors, then you can build your own workspace simply by dragging the panels on the different places. Like we have this panel, we can just drag her and drop here. We can close a panel by clicking on 3 dot and hitting close panel. Also we can add them again by going to Windows and then checking the panel. In case you had done some changes in your workspace and now you want the standard workspace, then go to menu bar here in Windows, go to workspaces and reset to saved layout. Here I have my own workspace designed for different type of videos like reels, YouTube videos or commercial videos. Design your own workspace by dragging the panels. Like drag this here. I don't need this panel. Close it. Close this panel. I want effects here. I want history. I don't need markers. I want media here. And at the last, go to workspace and save as new workspace. For example, just like this, you can create many workspace and switch between them while editing. Thank you.